while a child was enjoying her ice cream with an appetite, eating at work, people sipping their hot coffees in cold weather, and living many beautiful memories, we were there. MetPack adds value to paper. MetPack, which was based with the belief that the building based on solid foundations ensures solid promise for the foreseeable future, is the latest product creation under the roof of Aras Grup. MetPack, together with Metkaçılık, Aras Makina, and Met Etiquette, operates within Aras Grup and provides a healthy and environmentally friendly packaging solution for the next generation, produced with the latest technology thanks to the success of its innovative work. MetPack is a pioneer company that can meet all kinds of paper needs in the field of food packing industry with an annual production volume of 48,000 tons in production facilities in Istanbul. MetPack manufactures in the highest hygienic environment in production facilities with the most high-tech equipment in an environment with all food safety and health certifications, giving particular importance to human health. MetPack closely monitors developments and innovations in the world paper market with its solution partners and has the vision of leading company that brings the latest technologies to the industry for the first time. Without compromising on quality, MetPack is in business with the world's leading suppliers of raw materials by always moving forward, by aiming the best of the best.
MetPack produces world-class paper with ISO 9001, ISO 22000, FSC, PEFC, and BRC B certificate it owns.
With its own research department, it can respond instantly to new products needed by the industry. We continue to progress with a production approach that is at peace with nature and value human greatly. MetPack adds value to paper.